In 2026, mag-all-in ka sa goals mo because whatever happens, whether you succeed or fail, makakabalik ka pa rin, makakabangon ka pa rin. And if na-realize mo talaga, God will always provide. So if for those na iniisip ninyo that term that God will always provide, na logically hindi talaga siya nangyayari or whatever, realize mo that there are three things that usually happen pag nag-fail ka in life. So, my name is J.S. Mines and I still remember yung mga times na twice na ako nag-fail in business. Pero ang dami kong nakuhang lessons, I became wiser and I always bounced back. The first business na pinaka-nalose ko was e-commerce business siya. And we were having a product na sobrang lakas talaga na bumenta during the pandemic. Nagbibenta kami ng mga webcams or yung mga work from home na mga gamit, mga office. So, ang lakas nun. But then, after a while, natapos din, nawala din yung demand. We were generating more or less mga 10M per month nun. Pero nawala din siya. Second business na tinayo ko, it was still online. May mga business partners ako. We started selling massively different niches, different markets. Pero, yung time na yun, hindi pa maganda yung relationship ko sa kanila. We were just in the business just for the business alone. Hindi kami nakapag-develop ng relationship. So, what end up happening is nawala din kami. And isa yun sa mga painful realizations that even if meron ka ng multi-millions in your bank, pwede pa rin siya mawala with just, the wrong business partners. You yourself not learning how to deal with business partners. And here are the three things na natutunan ko on why whatever happens, you're gonna be okay. Number one, all failure is psychological. Pag na-realize talaga natin is that all failures, iniisip talaga natin pag nawala tayo back to zero, in reality, hindi naman talaga tayo nag-zero. Psychological lang siya kasi iniisip natin yung friends, family natin, mapapahiya tayo. Or kung meron man tayong investors or people na nakatingin sa atin, mapapahiya tayo sa kanila. And maybe the people that trusted you back then, mga employees mo, mga tao mo, even your family, you might let them down. At natatakot ka doon because you might lose the love and respect na tinrabaho mo. It's not really about the loss of money, but what money means to you. What money means to you could be, if hindi ka nagkaroon ng pera, baka hindi ka nakaka-provide. Pag wala kang pera, it means magkakaroon ka pa ng mas madaming responsibilities na hindi mo ma-handle. Thus, baka ma-label ka as your identity na irresponsible ka. So yun ang mga kinakatakutan natin, the loss of identity and relationships na pwedeng masira. But just in reality, nangyayari ba yun? Lahat naman kasi nadadaan sa usapan. And at the end of the day, people will help you. Number two, the system of life will always prevent. Number two, the system of life will actually prevent you from really hitting zero or yung rock bottom mo or yung true zero na yun. Pag nakita mo talaga, even if nawala sa'yo lahat, number one, family mo will not let you starve. Whether kung may pinsan ka, distant relative, may tutulong sa'yo. Next, yung mga kaibigan mo, at some point, magbibigay yan ng couch para mahigaan mo, pagkain para makain mo. And may society, may mga church, may government, parating may opportunity na mag-exist dyan, na tutulungan ka. At the end of the day, you will never be alone. You will never be abandoned. Hindi ka magiging homeless, hindi ka makakakain ka, and you will not ever be forever na wala ng pag-asa. Makakabangon ka. And once we start to realize that the system of life is built to support us, then we get to realize na okay lang pala mag-fail. Okay lang pala mag-try. Okay lang pala mag-try ng risk na to kasi at the end of the day, I'm going to be okay. Yung worst case scenario na iniisip mo in your mind is not always as bad as it seems. Baka iniisip mo lang because vague yung fear. Pero pag specify mo talaga siya, you get to realize wala naman pala talagang kakatakutan. So whatever it is that you're seeking and going for, go for it. So as we're starting the year strong, don't forget to comment down below ano yung goal mo and bakit ka excited for it. Para makita naman natin at ma-share mo sa community what's going on right now. I'll also make sure to be able to reply back to each and every single comment. And by the way, if you're liking the video, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the notification button para sa mga next upcoming na mga videos natin. And number three, you don't start from scratch. You always start from experience. Take everything away from you. Ang hindi mawawala is your skills, knowledge, connection, and experiences na meron ka in life. And that's the reason pag may mga nawala sa mga billionaires, nakakabangon. Tulad sa kunyari, example, si Donald Trump. Nawala siya, financial thermostat niya, meaning yung kanyang standard is set to billions. So yung nawala na yun, eventually nabalik din niya, bumalik siya to billions. Bakit? Kasi dun siya nakaset. Yun yung skills niya, knowledge, experience niya, and more. So you yourself, even if you fail, you're always going to try and bounce back. And when you bounce back, you learn more skills. So that's why okay lang mag-fail. Ang daming mga entrepreneurs, business owners, nag-fail 9 times, 10 times, 11 times, pero nag-try pa rin. Because again, fear is psychological. And the more that you can go after yung mga goals and dreams mo, kakayanin mo yan. And I wanted to be able, so those are the three things. Number one is failure is psychological. Number two is that the system of life is built to support you. And number three, you don't you don't start from scratch. You always start from experience. And I want you to know that God will always provide. And hindi siya escapism. And I want you to know that God will always provide. And it's not some kind of escapism. And it's not some kind of escapism na makakatakas ka na sa mga problema mo basta sabihin mo God provides. But in reality, number one, plants grow. Number two, yung oceans nagsicycle. Number three, nagbabalik yung hangin. Seasons nagbabago and life will always adapt. And yung nabasa ko yun, sabi ko talaga, oo nga eh. Because life is meant always to evolve, to grow. And people will always have yung mga seasons natin. And akalain mo minsan na wala na si God, pero in reality, nandyan lang siya na waiting for the opportunity to support you. Never ka mawawalan. So if you have a goal or a dream this 2026, go all out for it. Kunin mo na siya at huwag ka matakot. Because people, at the end of the day, will have your back. And once you have that mindset of abundance, knowing that whatever happens, lose it all, you can always get it back or even more, then you now know and understand that money is just energy. It flows in and it flows out. So, go ahead and reach for your goals this 2026.